Okay, this question says a town has 3 car parks. The south car park has X spaces in it. The north car park has 48 more spaces than the south car park. The central car park has 4 times as many spaces as the south car park. The total number of spaces in the south car park, so total, important there, number of spaces in the south car park and the central car park is more than twice the number of spaces in the north car park. So if I start off, right, looking at the question, it says work out the least number of spaces in the south car park, the least number of spaces in the south car park. So starting this off, I know there are X spaces in the south car park. In the north car park, there are 48 more spaces than the south. So if there are X number in the south, 48 more than that is X plus 48. The central car park has 4 times as many spaces as the south car park. So 4 times as many spaces as the south car park, and the south car park has X, so it has 4X in there. You're picking up marks for putting all of these down, right? So you may well get a couple of marks for it, but you will get recognition. Make sure you do, okay? And annotate the question as you go along. This statement here is really important, and they will always give you something here to help you form the equation. The total number of spaces, so total means to add up spaces in the south car park and the central car park, so the south car park and the central car park, so X and 4X, is more than, so I'm going to use an inequality there, twice the number of spaces in the north car park. And in the north car park, I have X plus 48. So let's put this together. The total number of spaces in the south car park and the central car park is 4X, is more than, so I'm going to use the greater than symbol, twice, so that's 2 times the number of spaces in the north car park, X plus 48. So 2 times X plus 48. It's really straightforward when you see, but you need to read the question very, very carefully and take your time doing it. Now I need to work this out. I'm going to add X and 4X, and I'm going to multiply out the brackets. So X plus 4X is 5X, is greater than 2X plus, and 2 times 48 is 96. Okay, and now I need to balance this equation. The inequality doesn't make any difference. We're going to carry on with this as we go through. I need to get rid of that 2x, so minus 2x. Over here it's positive 2x minus 2x. 5x minus 2x is 3x, is greater than 96. I need to divide by 3 now because 3x means 3 times x. 96 divided by 3 is 32. Again, you have a calculator. This is a calculator paper. Use the calculator to do that, but you should be able to do that without one. Okay. Now, what do we know from here? The question says work out the least possible number of spaces in the south car park. It's the smallest number of places in the south car park. But we know that x is a whole number. All right, it's car parking space. You can't have half a car parking space. It is definitely a whole number, and it's more than 32 from this statement here. So what whole number is greater than 32? That's not equal to 32, that's greater than 32. It must be 33, and that's my answer to go in my answer space. This question is worth a lot of marks. 5 marks is a fair few marks, and you should be able to get all of them.